What's up? This is Bunjo, and I'm opening up a 2019-20 Upper Deck Series 1. Get 6 Young Guns. There's all the... Let me get this plastic off. The Upper Deck wrapping. This is a nice little card opening video for you boys. Hopefully we get the Quinn Bros. There's all the odds right here. You guys can pause the video and read them if you want. Now let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let me see it. Yeah. Hopefully we get that Austin Matthews, a bang bang, or that Sundin Reliconi. Then we got this, the old what's up next, the Black Diamond. This is just an ad that comes in. Fuck the ads, we don't care. So you get 24 packs in a box of the Series 1. Sidney Crosby on the front, and there's 8 cards in each pack. So that's what they look like. Nice little black. This is a hobby box. So let's do this. Let's get into the first pack. Look at that, we got the old Robert Thomas, Gabriel Peru, Thibaut Terrain. Ooh, we got a fucking Patrick Waugh, P. Waugh. There's a nice little beauty. Set up beside that. Boom. And here's all the base cards. We got Ekblad, we got Stahl. That's a retro Upper Deck card, I think they call it. Pack number 2. It's a little harder to open. What am I? A handyman? Okay, there we go. Debruska. There's Shea Theodora. There's Willie Nylander in the old St. Patrick's uni. And here's this Thomas Chabot. Fuck 'em. Oh, we got the old Austin Matthews checklist. I'm a Leafs fan, by the way, so let's get that Leaf autograph, boy. I don't think we got. I don't know if we get a jersey card or an autograph. Or, I don't know what the odds are. We're just going as we go. Look, there's the Sid the Kid. There's that Pietrangelo. There's a young gun, Quinn Hughes, boy. Get that hitter. Kyle Clifford, we got that Quinn Hughes already. Boom. That's a beauty. Logie Couture. Can you guys believe that? Quinn Hughes. Damn, bro. In high school, you were the man, bro. What the fuck happened to you, bro? Woo. That's our third pack. Nice safe way of opening it. Now we need a Jackie boy, Huey. Oh yeah, boy. We got Calvat, boy. Oh yeah, boy. Jesper Fast. Ooh, Andreas Janssen canvas, a beauty. Andreas Johansson. No, Janssen, sorry. We need that Austin Matthews banger, or that Connor Mac. Sid the Kid wouldn't be bad either. This one's hard to open. A couple of them are hardy boys. Now let's see this. Boom. Philip Forsberg. Oh, I think we got a canvas again. Brad Marchand. No, we got a next generation. Charlie McAvoy. There's a Jordan Bennington. That guy's hilarious. On Spit and Chicklets, you gotta watch that shit. Marc-Andre Fleury. Yeah, Spit and Chicklets is a priceless story, man. That guy's been through the ringer. He's a beauty. True beauty. How do you guys like these card videos? Raquel. Ooh. Morgan Crelly. There's a portrait. Chris Letang. Ooh, we got my boy Austin. Boy. Nice Janssen. We get all Leafs, I'll be a happy man, but I mean, if we get a McDavid or a Crossbow, I'll be cool too. There it is, Justin Schultze, Philip Boy. Ooh, Zach McEwen. Not that cool. There's that. Clefbaum. I'm gonna stop it for a second. There's another pack for you. Bang. Ryan Ellis bang. Brand little bang. Ooh, we got the old Morgan Riley. I like the way the Leafs are going, boys. Got the old Brent Burns sharpshooter. Guy's a sick ass beard, man. Fuck with that guy. I like Ovechkin, man. If I got an Ovechkin, man. If I got an Ovechkin auto. Goddamn, boys. I'd be fucking partying till the dust. Looks like we got an energy call. We got Paul Stasny. Fucking Leaf. We got Zdeno Chara. We got Matthew Tkachuk. We got this guy, Daniel Strame. And that's it, boy. I think it's one hit per pack, so it's either like one of these fucking energy cards. This one feels like it's an auto. An Ovechkin Cup auto. That'd be dope, eh? Corey Crafty. We got that Yektar Yarvitsin. We got Louis Erickson. Ooh. Marc-Andre Fleury Canvas. Look at that beaut. What a beauty. I don't know. Honey Champ. This one's gonna be a Bure. Oh my god, it smells like Pavel Bure. Donner and Darnell Nurse, Evander Kane, back to back blacks, the sick, eh? Ooh, Teddy Bluger, Bluger Storm, Philip, oh, Carter Hart, boy, get that hitter. Back to back blacks in that pack, boy. Got that Evander Kane hitter. Here we go. Let's pray for a fucking big boy. Jeff Skinner. Oh, we got my boy Ovi Ovechkin, my boy. Ovechkin is great. Ovechkin is lovely. How many Quinn who? Let's get a fucking auto, boys. That'd be nice, eh? If I could treat y'all eyes to a nice auto. Ooh, look at that. Look at all these young guns, boys. We got tons of them. I think you get 6 per pack, so I think I got 1, 2, I think 4 of them already. Damn. All we need is that, Jack Hughes or a Kale McCarr would be dope one. A dope ass party boy. There it is. Krishna Mark. Oh, we got that Wayne Gretzky hitter. Look at that, eh, boys? That Wayne Gretzky flop house hitter. And that's the rest of them. Fuck, yeah? You need that big boy. Big Daddy Kane, boy. If I don't get an auto, I'll be pissed, man. I want a Wayne Gretzky auto. Here you go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, we got a clear cut young gun. No way. I think these are like fucking rare as hell. Too bad it wasn't a fucking Quinn Hughes. Damn, boy. We got a Kasperi Kapanen, like bang bang. Damn. You looking fine, boy. Look at all the young guns. You got a Jack Hughes like that? Damn, bro. I'm saying, game over, boy. Ooh, we got another checklist with fucking face licker Mashawn. I don't know, O'Reilly. Cup winners. Zaki Parise. Chris Tierney. Chabot. Look at all these boys, man. Oh, man, we need that hitter. We need that glass Vegas hitter. Inter. Telaha. Oh, we got a fucking Jonathan Taves. We got another energy. There it is. Jackie Eichel. What a beauty that boy is. Koskinen. Look at this boy. Hold on, let's take a quick hitter. I gotta open up a beer. We got 7 packs left, so we ain't got no beauty hits yet. Can't use patch or nothing. Ooh, baby. No, we ain't got that gravy. Backler. Nathan McKinnon. Canvas. We got the shitty canvas. We need that fucking hitter, boy. That sauce. That sauce trotter. Anthony Chiarello. Damn, boy. Oh, we got younger Mackenzie McEachran. These things are like every day. There's like 1,000 of those. Shoot back. Shoot back. There we go. There we go. There we go. Zachy Hyman giving the Heimlich, boy. Jonathan Drouin. Canvas. We got no fucking autos. I don't think we're getting an auto here. It's too fucking... Damn, man. There we go. Oh, young Matt Roy. There it is, boy. We got Jakey Muzzy. Got all the Leafs, boy. Get that quick hitter. Let me get sponsored by our Union beer here, boys. Trust in the Union. I'm the Union leader. There we go. Can't wait till hockey season comes back. It's gonna be dope, eh? Who you guys got for the cup, man? Still the Leafs? Nino Ryder. Next generation, Kyle Connor. Damn, boy. Martin Jones, boy. JVR. Do the old sauce donkey breakdance. Yeah, man, the Leafs are gonna win. I hope actually Ovechkin wins again. Even though I'm a Leaf fan, but I think the Leaf boys, fuck. We waited since '67, man. I think we got a couple more years in us. Let Ovechkin ride out for a bit. Nikita Kucherov. These canvas things are fucking weird, eh? They're like shitty, they look like fucking Sears catalogs or something, you know? You go to Sears and get your fucking picture taken, that's what you get. Chirp fest, bud. Damn, we only got a Quinn Hughes hitter, eh? Damn. Last pack. Alright, here we go. Did we get any, quick? No, I don't think we got anything cool, boys. We got fucking Ryan Poland. There we go. There we go. And thank you. That was Upper Deck Series 1 hockey box cards. And if you like these videos, give me a thumbs